here at the Enoch Percy Grove in Humboldt Redwood State Park. Magnificent. This is what we call a girdled tree. And check this amazing tree out. Holy cow. See, these notches in there is where they had to put in planks so they could get up higher. And I'm just going to film this sign real quick so you can pause it and read it yourself. But I'll talk about it for you. So the still living tree shows bark peeling, which was done in 1901 by French and his young sons, one of whom was Enoch Percy French, first Redwood District Superintendent of the Division of Beaches and Parks from 1931 to 1953. For over 50 years, he was a leading timber cruiser in the Redwood region. The tree measured 54 feet in circumference at the base and was located on land owned by the Pacific Lumber Company, who prepared the bark for shipment to San Francisco, where the bark was reassembled to reproduce the base of a giant tree and used for information booth at the Earthwork League Convention. Fascinating. So here we have this massive tree that was girdled for an exposition, and look at that. That's about 20 feet high from the base that they girdled this tree. But they left about a fifth of the bark attached. So look at that. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to flip the perspective. Okay, so you can see they left a little bit of bark there. I'll come around. And so people did not believe trees got this big. And so they wanted to take some bark and reassemble it so people could actually go in and see how ginormous the coast redwoods are. But because they left this one strip of bark here, this tree, although not happy, you can see its face, it's still alive and actually quite healthy. The girdle tree. All right, thanks, folks. Is that wild?